Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. As I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic in each and every video so you people can understand it in better way. And friends, do subscribe my channel, like the video, hit the bell icon so whenever I update a new video you'll get the notification, okay? So friends, I'm doing one more thing. I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. As this is 57th number video, friends. Okay. So in our last video, we have covered the topic called good or evil is your choice. And in this video, I'm going to cover the topic called spirit communication help comfort loved ones on earth. Okay. So I'll start. Okay. 6/6/1981, 6th June 1981. Spirit communication help comfort loved ones on earth. This is the name of the topic. We are very keen on communicating with our loved ones on the earth. So we continuously request God Almighty to give us opportunity. On the whole, people on earth are so preoccupied with their own work, fun, and money making that they don't care for their departed loved ones. So, here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari that the soul on the spirit world are always keen of connecting with the loved ones who are on this earth, who are on this living on this earth plane. But people on this earth plane are so busy with their daily life, like money making and having fun, work. They even do not bothered about their departed ones. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kurshad Bhavnagari. However, some like our mother and father are keen to communicate with the departed loved ones. We were overjoyed when our mom and dad wanted to hear from us. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, here people don't want to communicate with their loved ones, but when Vipsi and Ratu came to know that their mom and dad want to communicate with Vipsi and Ratu, so Vipsi and Ratu both were overjoyed that yes, our parents want to communicate with us. They too felt happy that they were able to communicate with us. Spirit being wish there more there were more people like our mom and dad. Here spirit being those who are spirit in the spirit world, they wish that if there would be more souls like Vipsi and Ratu's mom and dad, so they could communicate in the better way. We were able to calm them down and guide them regarding who was making fool of them. So here Vipsi and Ratu was able to calm their parents, tell them, guide them and tell them who were making them fool, who were really good friends and whom should they trust and ask for help, whom their parents should ask for help, and who are the real friends and who are the fake ones to justify. The parents could judge and get the guidance from the spirit world via Vipsi and Ratu. Our mom and dad are quite alone in your world, except for a few relatives and good friends who have helped them. We thank them and bless them. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling that their parents are alone in this world and there are few people who help their parents, and Vipsi and Ratu is telling thanks to them that they have helped their parents. There are many spirit souls who are extremely keen on communicating with their loved ones. Many like us want to help their loved ones on earth feel calm as their unhappiness and misery on earth is projected onto us, making us feel depressed and sad too. Because Vipsi and Ratu is telling when any soul feel bad and they feel why we are misery, we do not have money. If we would have money, it would be great if we would be rich. So whenever we feel bad in the spirit world, our loved ones also feel bad, right? Our loved ones in the earth world are sad, right? So they want to help us. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kurshad Bhavnagari. We do understand how you feel when your loved ones have departed from your world, as you cannot see, hear, or touch us. But we request you to be calm and not moron for us, as we are happier here than we were there. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling all the spirit in the spirit world are very much happy than they were in the earth world. So don't care about them, don't cry about them, because they are very much happy. We are more alive than we were on earth, and we can still see you, hear you, touch you, hug you, and even kiss you. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling that on the spirit world, people are more alive than the people are in this world. So they can see us, kiss us, hug us, and even they can see us. So we should not never feel sad. So if you are sad, they will be sad on there. So we should always be happy. If you were departed, loved ones are very close only, then we would strongly feel your sadness. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, if we were departed from this earth and our loved ones would be very close to us, then only we would feel sad. The love and closeness of a mother or father and their children, or for a sister and brother, or even good friends who love each other deeply, affect us. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, our mother, father, brother, sister, and our friends who loved really very much unconditionally to us, if they're sad, it affects all the spirits in the spirit world. However, no matter what the relationship on earth was, if there is no genuine and mutual love, we do not have a connection with that soul once we have come to the spirit world. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, let whatever matter the relation be. But our relation, if would not be that strong, the spirit in the spirit world do not feel any connection for that soul on the earth world. Our mom and dad sometimes felt so lost and miserable without us that it would have been very difficult for us to calm them down and cheer them up without spirit communication. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling, sometimes their mom and dad used to feel so sad. So it was very difficult for Vipsi and Ratu to make calm them and to make them happy without spirit communication. We would explain to them that they should control their feelings as they also sadden us and we are closer to them than when we were on earth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, hey parents, mom, dad, do not feel sad. So if you feel sad, we also feel sad because we are more closer to you than we are on the earth to you. The spirit communication makes us all, mom, dad, Vipsi, and Ratu, share each other happiness and misery, and most importantly, let them know we are near them and love them tremendously. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling that to hey parents, you know that we love you very much. It's not that we have left that body means our love ended. It's a new beginning of our love, and we really love you. It is very much easier task for us because of the spirit communication. So for the spirit communication, it is very easy task for us to communicate with you. So we request the people on the earth to communicate safely with the spirit world for your own good. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling, so to all the souls in the spirit world or in the earth world, to communicate with the spirit world for your own good, means for our own good sake, we should communicate with the spirit world, as well as to provide us with an easier way to perform our duties, and to even give them the platform in the spirit world or to all the souls to perform their duties. With the help of spirit communication, it is much easier for us to guide and stop you from going deep in the darkness. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, if someone is going in deep darkness, in deep they are committing any crime from the spirit world, they could stop us from doing any wrong thing. It is our duty to guide you, and it is therefore advisable to communicate with us. So it is their duty to guide us and communicate with us. So we should stay calm and stay happy. If you have such a gift, do develop it. Very soul has some kind of gift from God Almighty. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling, every soul have some kind of gift from God Almighty. So if you have that gift, develop it. But for some, it takes a long time and a lot of hard work to develop it. And for some, it comes automatically. Vipsi and Ratu is telling for some soul, it takes very long time to develop it. But for some souls, it comes very easily. It comes automatically. Never suppress your instincts. Never think people will call you crazy or wired if they find out you have the gift. So never think that people is going to call you crazy or mad if you have this gift. Just use it. It is a God given gift and you should be grateful for it. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling it is a God given gift to you and you should be grateful for it. You should not feel sad at all. And let whatever the society think about you, you should be happy for this. There was a girl whom we shall call Nina, who had such a gift, but her mother brainwashed her, saying it is an evil to communicate with the spirit. So here there was a girl who used to have a God gift of communicating with the spirit world, but her mother brainwashed, telling Nina, it is foolishity to communicate with the spirit world, so you never communicate. Never do this again, or the evil spirit will possess your body and ruin you. You will become a devil and you will burn in the fire of hell. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling to the parents, the mother of Nina, never do this. If anybody have this type of skills, encourage them. Help them to polish their skills, but never try to demotivate them, because if we are doing this, we will go in the hell for many, many years. Nina was so frightened by her mother warning that she even hesitated to utter the word spirit communication. She lost the great opportunity, a wonderful gift, and faith in herself. So here Nina lost a great opportunity of communicating with the spirit world. Even Nina lost the opportunity, such a gift which Nina have got from the God. After many years, when she was told the fact and her husband gave her book that explained her gift, it was too late. So after many years, Nina got married. Her husband gave them the book of automatic writing. But Nina wanted to do that, but it was very much too much late for Nina to do that. No matter how much she tried to regain it and forget what her mother had said, she could not, as her fear went very deep. So she regretted, and whatever her mother said, she wanted to forget it, but she won't be able to forget it, because whatever her mother said, she used to remember it. She was unable to forget it. She regretted having listened to her mother and she found it impossible to regain her confidence. So she found that it is impossible to regain the confidence, because once which I lose means which loses, Nina used to believe. Just like Nina's story, there are many such cases, so we request the people on the earth to never advise anyone without proper knowledge and fact. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling, never advise anyone without the knowledge of the fact. If you do not know fact, then no, never advise anybody. Never give anybody a wrong advice. Little knowledge is very dangerous thing. And for the people listening to the advice, make sure the source has true spiritual knowledge. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling little knowledge is very dangerous thing, and those who are listening to this fact always remember this knowledge is coming from the spiritual brain, right? So friends, this topic came to an end. The name was of this topic was spirit communication, help comfort loved ones on the earth. So in our next topic we will cover most soul have been to the lower realm. So friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making this full book in each and every video, so you people can understand in a better way, and your life could change. And do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like my video, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends, right? And you can also connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you. ABHIMANYU BHATTATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. And you can also mail me at abhimanyubhattacharjee1906 @gmail.com. So if you have any doubt, if you have any concern, do ask me in the comment section. I see to each and every comment and I reply to you, friends. Okay. So always stay blessed, always stay happy, never feel sad, right? Always be happy. And once I hope we all will meet in the spirit world and you will say that I used to see your videos and today we all are in the spirit world. We all will celebrate, we all will be party. And I hope those who are seeing my video, we all will come in the seventh relay one day, and we all will be happy. So always have fun, my friends. Okay, bye friends, be happy, stay blessed, goodbye. I will meet you in the next video. Okay.